Are you looking for a style that's cool and classy without being too formal? The answer to what is preppy style could be just what you need. This style is like the fun, younger version of the old money style. It's been around for a long time and was made popular by students who study classic subjects. It's a style that's all about looking refined and sophisticated, but with a playful and youthful twist. It's about embracing tradition while also having the freedom to experiment and express your individuality. The birth of preppy style. The preppy style started with the rowing clubs in England in the 1800s. The rowers wore bright jackets so people could see them from the riverbanks. These jackets were often striped to show which club they belonged to. This tradition of wearing distinctive, brightly colored clothing became a hallmark of the preppy style. By the 1950s, the preppy style was popular in Ivy League colleges. It's a style that shows you're smart, athletic, and have good manners. It's a style that's all about balance, balancing tradition with modernity, formality with casualness, and sophistication with fun. How to style preppy, the modern take. The preppy style has changed over time. It's similar to the old money style, but it's more fun. You can play with colors and logos. If you like to keep things simple but still have fun with your clothes, learning how to style preppy could be for you. It's about mixing and matching different elements to create a look that's uniquely you. It's about understanding the rules of the preppy style and then bending them to suit your personal taste and lifestyle. Fall preppy. Colors in the wardrobe. You can wear any colors you like, but there are some colors that are often seen in fall preppy style. The preppy style is a mix of neutral and bright colors. Neutrals like beige, navy, blue, white, black, and gray give your outfit a classy look. But if you want to add some excitement, you can wear bright colors like yellow, red, green, and even pink. Just make sure to balance these colors so you don't look too flashy. Fall preppy is all about embracing the colors of the season, the warm hues of autumn leaves, the cool blues and grays of the autumn sky, and the rich, earthy tones of the autumn landscape. Men's Preppy Style Guide, Clothing Essentials. A classic button-down shirt is a must-have for the preppy style. It's a versatile piece that you can wear with straight pants for a simple look, or under a sweater or jacket for a layered look. It's a piece that's easy to dress up or down, depending on the occasion. A varsity jacket is another key piece for the preppy look. Look for jackets with subtle logos or letters. You don't have to go to an Ivy League college to wear these jackets. It's all about the style. The varsity jacket is a symbol of the preppy style's roots in collegiate sports and its emphasis on camaraderie and team spirit. Polo shirts and rugby shirts are also important for the preppy look. These shirts have been part of the preppy style for a long time. You can wear your polo for a casual look or dress it up for a more formal look. They're versatile pieces that can be styled in a variety of ways to suit different occasions and moods. Bottoms and shoes in Men's Preppy Style Guide. Chanos, straight tailored pants, and corduroy are great options for your lower body. Pair them with loafers for a casual look or Oxfords and dress shoes for a more formal preppy look. These pieces are all about comfort and versatility. They're pieces that can take you from the office to a weekend getaway, from a casual lunch with friends to a formal dinner date. Accessories in Men's Preppy Style Guide. Round frame sunglasses, caps, signet rings, and scarves can add the finishing touches to your preppy outfit. Your grooming should also reflect the refined nature of the preppy style. Consider embracing classic haircuts and maintaining a neatly trimmed beard, ideally styled to a small chin beard or light facial hair. Accessories and grooming are not just about adding style to your look, they're also about expressing your personality and individuality. What to avoid in Men's Preppy Style Guide. While embracing the preppy style, steer clear of jeans, bulky shoes, and heavy chains. These items do not align with the refined and sophisticated nature of the preppy style. They're too casual and lack the elegance and sophistication that the preppy style is known for. Preppy style, more than fashion, it's a lifestyle. In conclusion, the preppy style is more than just a style, it's a lifestyle. It's about looking refined, being neat and conservative, and having fun with your fashion choices. It's about embracing a lifestyle that values education, sportsmanship, and good manners. It's about living a life that's balanced, fulfilling, and stylish. So why not give it a try? You might just find your perfect style match.